Today we will learn how to make a broadcasting news video in Premiere Pro. First of all, bring the video footage of the news here. The clips of this news have been combined. Now here I have taken a texture image of red color. If you wish, you can also take blue, orange, or yellow color. Now place it at the bottom of the screen. Now make a text box with the Type tool. And type 2 to 3 main points of the news in it. Type only 1 point in each text box. Do right-click on text box and select Speed Duration, and change the duration to 3 seconds. You can write more points also. I am writing only 3 points here. Now go to Effects and search for White Transition, and apply them in the center of 2 text boxes. Select all the text boxes, and then press and hold the Alt key and drag the text box. Repeat this step until the entire video ends. Now apply transition wherever transition has not been applied. Now take the rectangle tool and create a rectangle. Push the nodes inwards and curve the corners. Rectangle color should be the same color as the texture color used. Now give credits to the source from where you have taken the clips. Create a text box and write courtesy, and then the name of the source. And then adjust that text box in the rectangle. Now place the main graphic of the broadcasting news, the logo of your news channel. Adjust and place it from starting to the ending point. And we are done with broadcasting news video. That's all for today. If you liked the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos.